So dear teachers, now let's see how to create a Powtoon video using blank template. So for that you have to select the blank option on the left hand side of your screen. Click on that and choose the appropriate ratio of your slide that you want. Like we choose horizontal 16:9, that is the best aspect ratio for YouTube. After selecting that, it will show you some look that are available for the Powtoon. You can choose any look, like if I'm choosing here whiteboard. So here you can see on right hand side that I am scrolling are the scenes that are the by default scenes available on the Powtoon. So you can choose any of the scene, like here I am choosing for hello everyone or for the ad name. So I choose that. I can edit the text in that scene. And also on right hand side there are some tools available that you can use to change the background text or add some more characters, animated characters or video, audio, images in your Powtoon video. So you can choose all those options also. So like here I am changing the text and changing its color, position as per my requirement. After that you have to click on save and then you can see the preview. Now you can also see the timings of your objects that appear on your slide on the timeline that is appear on the screen at the bottom. So here I am showing you all the tools available like background, text, character, shapes, images, videos, sounds and specials. So I am changing the background. So for that some by default backgrounds are also available or you can upload your own background also. Like here you can see that I have chosen paper lines background from the texture option. So you can choose any of the background and then you can change the color of your objects or text that is already appears on your slide. Now if I want to add more text, characters, I can choose any of the tool. I have added one more slide by clicking on blank slide option appears on the left side of your screen. I can set its color, background color, or you can also set any image as a background. Then I select text option and I can add any text onto my slide. You can drag it to adjust the size of your text. After that we can add any of the character that are available on our Powtoon. Like here you can see I have chosen one character and I can change its location. I can remove it also. I can flip it to change the direction of its face. I can click on flip option and the direction of its face will be changed. You can also apply different type of animations on this character, like how it appears when you start your slide. So you can choose that option and you can also off the animation by clicking on no animation option. And you can also increase the number of times, like here this character is raising her hands. So if you want that it repeats her raising her hands or waving her hands for 5 times or 6 times, so you can change that also. Here I am changing the effects of the characters, that how it will appear. We can also apply different sound effects on our character. So just tap on sound option and choose the sound effect that you want to apply on your animated character. After making any changes on your slide, please save it and then you can see the preview here. Like I have done some changes and I can see the preview. Now if I want to add some more props on my slide, I can click on prop option, and from there I can choose any of the object. Like here I am choosing the laptop. I can change its color and I can also flip its direction. Like here I choose the desktop, and now I am adding some shapes on my slide. So I select the shapes option from the right hand side toolbar. So I'm choosing one arrow, that is the animated arrow, and I can drag and drop it on a appropriate position on my slide. I can change its color or size. Now if I want to add some images, I can click on image option and I can add image, video, or I can add also some music. So you can choose the option that you want, or you can also upload the music or video from your computer. Here I am choosing some already available soundtracks. You can play that and listen, and then you can click on use button to add it on your slide. After adding music, click on save button and you can see the preview of your video. Like here you can see the preview. You can also add some more objects on your slide by choosing the specials option, in which you get some more objects. Just select the object that you want to add on your slide and drag to increase its size, and you can also drag and drop it anywhere on your slide. Now our slide is ready. So after that you have to click on export and then Powtoon option. Here it will ask you the title of your video and then its category. You can choose the category like education or training, whatever you want to choose, and then public, and then click on export Powtoon. So it will get saved on your Powtoon account. When it gets added on your Powtoon account, you can see the preview, or you can share its link and then screen record it. Now your Powtoon video is ready to share. You can do the voiceover after screen recording it. See, you can also add your voice on Powtoon account itself, as there is an option of voiceover, but the issue is that we are not having microphones, so voice might not be clear. So it's better we can screen record it on our mobile phones and then we can record our voice. So this is all about the Powtoon. Hope you all liked it.